job.
Thank you, Lauren. And Kodiak Moment. Off the bank, the boys. Makes his way down towards the finish area. We have Starburst. Kodiak Moment over 1 and 2.
Good girl.
For Emily and Royal Quest.
Good girl.
And 460 is on the course. Brittany Rhodes, one of our Pro-Am team riders. Brittany and Lamore Boyd, Open Training D. That is number 459. Brittany Rhodes may well start the course over the first 3.